So this is an update on the 2012 Honda Civic. I told my son he needs to catch up on maintenance. Car has 171,000 miles on it. I can't remember if I changed the transmission fluid. I think I did when he got the car. That was like 50,000 miles ago. But the reminder lights are on. So what we're going to do is, he has a 1.8 liter four-cylinder. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to change the automatic transmission fluid. We're going to do a oil change. The T T PMS sensor, one of the sensors is bad. It looks like we don't have to reprogram that. We're going to see how this works. So we're going to change that T PMS sensor, guys. Remember the previous video, the AC wasn't running right, so we're going to change that expansion valve in the AC. Of course, we're going to do the air filter change. We're going to change his serpentine belt. It calls for a coolant change, 171,000 miles. I don't want him calling me up talking about his car is overheating, so we're going to go ahead and change the water pump, put new coolant in the car, and give us the opportunity to change the thermostat at the same time. I don't know where these came from. He has new tires coming in, so we're going to put new tires on. We're going to put these new, the tire service kit for the TPMS. We only need 3 because remember a new sensor came in. But while we're in there, we're just going to go ahead and change this out. Probably not necessary, but I can show you how to do it. We're going to have the tires on because we have to replace the tires anyway. The oil pan, that may be leaking, but it could be this valve here, so I'm not sure, but we're going to replace this and this, guys. And the air filter and the valve cover gasket, guys. I don't see the valve cover gasket. I might have missed a part, maybe it'll come in. Oh, this is another sensor. So yeah, so that's the maintenance we're going to be doing. I don't see the valve cover gasket, so he's going to have to order that. Or maybe you can pick up one of the local store. So that's upcoming maintenance we're going to be doing on that 2012 Honda Civic. Oh, I forgot, and we're going to be changing out, since we're going to be changing that expansion valve. It's easy to get to. We'll be changing out this dryer too that goes up in the condenser.